In water treatment plant, zeolite process is used to remove the of water. A. Acidity. B. Alkalinity. C. Hardness. D. Iron zinc. The correct answer is hardness. For existence of aquatic life in water, the dissolved oxygen content in it should not be less than ppm. A. 10,000. B. 5. C. 500. D. 1,000. The correct answer is 5. Fresh sewage is in nature. A. Acidic. B. Neutral. C. Alkaline. D. Highly acidic. The correct answer is alkaline. In a sedimentation tank, the detention period for water ranges from hours. A. 2 to 4. B. 8 to 12. C. 16 to 20. D. 24 to 32. The correct answer is 2 to 4. On prolonged exposure to high concentration of carbon monoxide 5000 ppm, man dies because A. of clotting of blood. B. of jamming of respiratory tract. C. it forms carboxyl haemoglobin by combining with hemoglobin of blood, thereby making it incapable of absorbing oxygen. D. it forms CO2 by combining with oxygen present in the blood. The correct answer is it forms carboxyl haemoglobin by combining with hemoglobin of blood, thereby making it incapable of absorbing oxygen. Workers working in industry are most prone to white lung cancer. A. coal mining. B. limestone mining. C. textile. D. asbestos. The correct answer is textile. A standard test for determination of hardness in water is termed as test. A. EDTA. B. electrometric. C. total count. D. presumptive. The correct answer is EDTA. TLV of lead for public sewer waste water is about ppm. A. 1. B. 25. C. 150. D. 650. The correct answer is 1. Presence of nitrates in water in excess of 50 ppm causes A. methanoglobinemia. B. gastroenteritis. C. asphyxiation. D. tooth decay. The correct answer is methanoglobinemia. In sewage treatment, the detention period allowed for oxidation ponds ranges from weeks. A. 1 to 2. B. 4 to 5. C. 9 to 10. D. 15 to 20. The correct answer is 4 to 5. Coal mines drainage wastewater acidic in nature results from the earth's water percolating through the voids created in coal bed during mining. This polluted water, which either drains out naturally to water courses or are removed before starting the mining, is A. neutralized by alkali treatment. B. left as such without any treatment. C. diluted with fresh water to reduce its acidity. D. none of these. The correct answer is neutralized by alkali treatment. Fine grit present in sewage is removed in the during sewage treatment. A. grit chamber. B. detritus tank. C. trickling filter. D. skimming tank. The correct answer is detritus tank. The lowest layer of atmosphere is known as the A. stratosphere. B. troposphere. C. ionosphere. D. none of these. The correct answer is troposphere. As per the World Health Organization (WHO) specification, the maximum permissible concentration (IETLV) of particulate matter in air is gm3. G microgram. A. 10. B. 90. C. 800. D. 750. The correct answer is 90. Which of the following is not a weightless pollutant? A. SPM. B. thermal pollution. C. radioactive rays. D. noise pollution. The correct answer is SPM. Global warming may result in A. Flood. B. Cyclone. C. Decrease in food productivity. D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is all A, B, and C. Which of the following is the most lethal water pollutant? A. Phenol and cyanide. B. Chlorine. C. Alkalis. D. Suspended solids. The correct answer is phenol and cyanide. Presence of carbon monoxide in atmosphere produced by decomposition of chlorophyll and haemoglobin breakdown of some animals beyond TLV 50 ppm. A. Acts as a greenhouse gas, thereby raising Earth's temperature. B. Causes asphyxia. C. Causes increase in sea level. D. Enhances the greenhouse effect. The correct answer is causes asphyxia. The Earth's atmosphere is an envelope of gases present up to a height of about kms. A. 10. B. 200. C. 1000. D. 2000. The correct answer is 200. Which of the following is an adsorbant used for the removal of SO2 from gas air? A. Bog iron. B. Limestone powder or alkalized alumina. C. Silica gel. D. Active carbon. The correct answer is limestone powder or alkalized alumina. Higher concentration of nitrogen dioxide in atmospheric air causes A. Cancer. B. Bronchitis. C. Asphyxiation. D. Corrosion. The correct answer is bronchitis. Ozone is A. Primary pollutant. B. A secondary pollutant. C. Impervious to ultraviolet rays. D. Both B and C. The correct answer is both B and C. The permissible color for domestic water supply is ppm. A. 1. B. 20. C. 100. D. 1000. The correct answer is 20. High noise levels produced during operation of fans and compressors can be reduced by using A. Mufflers, silencers. B. Acoustical absorbant. C. Lagging of noisy duct. D. None of these. The correct answer is mufflers, silencers. The killer gas which caused Bhopal gas tragedy in 1984 was A. Phosgene. B. Methyl isocyanate. C. Carbon monoxide. D. Sulfur dioxide. The correct answer is methyl isocyanate. Aerosols present in atmospheric air may be A. Positively charged. B. Negatively charged. C. Neutral. D. Combination of all ABC. The correct answer is combination of all ABC. Ethanolamine is an absorbant used for the removal of from air gas A. HF. B. SO2. C. H2S. D. Both BC. The correct answer is both BC. Which of the following causes death by asphyxiation if its presence in atmospheric air exceeds maximum allowable concentration, i.e. 50 ppm? A. Benzopyrene. B. Peroxyacyl nitrate. C. Carbon monoxide. D. Sulfur dioxide. The correct answer is carbon monoxide. Plant emits large amount of SO2 as an air pollutant. A. Nitric acid. B. Sulfuric acid. C. Chloralkali. D. Iron steel. The correct answer is sulfuric acid. Noise pollution level in a chemical plant is expressed in A. Roentgen. B. Decibel. C. Hertz. D. None of these. The correct answer is decibel. The maximum permissible noise level to which a man working in a chemical plant can be exposed for 8 hours per day is about decibels. A. 60. B. 90. C. 105. D. 120. The correct answer is 90. The most commonly used chemical coagulant in water treatment is A. Ferrous sulfate. B. Alum. C. Lime. D. Hydrazine. The correct answer is alum. The biological decomposition of organic substances in wastes controlled conditions is called A. Incineration. B. Biological oxidation. C. Composting. D. None of these. The correct answer is composting. Lung cancer, DNA breakage are the major ill effects of excessive ozone exposure to human beings. Ozone layer depletion in the atmosphere is mainly caused by the presence of A. CO2, B. SO2, C. Hydrocarbons, D. CFC chlorofluorocarbon. The correct answer is CFC chlorofluorocarbon. Smog is not formed due to the presence of in the atmosphere A. SO2, B. NOx, C. CO2, D. any of these. The correct answer is CO2. Pick out the correct statement. A. Deforestation helps in controlling the greenhouse effect. B. Global warming is detrimental for increase in food productivity and may cause flood and cyclone. C. Lightning discharges are natural source of production of SO2H2S pollutant. D. Sulfur dioxide causes death by asphyxiation. The correct answer is global warming is detrimental for increase in food productivity and may cause flood and cyclone. Which of the following is not a source of ozone emission in the atmosphere? A. Refrigerators. B. Xerox machines. C. Dermatological phototherapy equipments. D. High voltage electrical equipments. The correct answer is refrigerators. Oceans act as sinks for atmospheric gases including carbon dioxide whose concentration in the atmosphere is increased by the A. Forestation, B. Rain, C. Greenhouse effect, D. Vegetation. The correct answer is greenhouse effect. Pick out the correct statement. A. Chemical oxygen demand code is a measure of chemically oxidizable organic matter present in water. B. Code is determined by oxidizing the organic matter present in water with potassium dichromate in cone sulfuric acid solution at boiling temperature for specified time. C. Code is related to bod of a given waste in water but the relationship varies for different wastes. Typically code of potable water may be 1-2 mg liter. D. All A, B and C. The correct answer is all A, B and C. The upper layer of atmosphere is called the A. Stratosphere, B. Troposphere, C. Ionosphere, D. None of these. The correct answer is stratosphere. Which of the following is the most widely used disinfectant in water treatment? A. Chlorine. B. Irradiation of water by ultraviolet light. C. Cation exchanger. D. Coagulation. The correct answer is chlorine. Pick out the wrong statement. A. Low ozone layer thickness in polar regions is due to cold climatic conditions. B. Amount of unburned hydrocarbons emitted by two-stroke petrol engine is more as compared to that emitted by a four-stroke engine. C. Carbon monoxide present in the two-stroke petrol engine exhaust is much less as compared to that emitted from a four-stroke engine. D. Mercury as a pollutant can enter the bloodstream, the digestive system, lungs and is responsible for causing minute disease. The correct answer is carbon monoxide present in the two-stroke petrol engine exhaust is much less as compared to that emitted from a four-stroke engine. Phenolic water generated in coke ovens byproduct plant of a steel plant are disposed of by A. Quenching of hot coke, B. Discharging in the river stream, C. Filtration and recycling for cooling coke oven gas, D. None of these. The correct answer is quenching of hot coke. 5 to 100 m size particles are called A. Colloids or aerosols. B. Powder. C. Dust. D. Smoke. The correct answer is colloids or aerosols. The progressive warming up of the Earth's surface is mainly due to the A. Automobile exhaust. B. Blanketing effect of CO2 in the atmosphere. C. Deforestation. D. Thickening of ozone layer. The correct answer is blanketing effect of CO2 in the atmosphere. The effect of increase in carbon dioxide level of the atmosphere and its profound effect on our climate is called the A. Catalytic conversion. B. Greenhouse effect. C. Global warming. D. Both B and C. The correct answer is both B and C. Arsenic pollutant is not generated in industries. A. Tanneries. B. Glass ceramic. C. Beverages. D. Any of these. The correct answer is beverages. The resistance of water to the passage of light through it is a measure of the A. Turbidity. B. Color. C. Hardness. D. Dissolved gases. The correct answer is turbidity. Color test of water is done with an instrument called A. Tintometer. B. Colorimeter. C. Electrochemical cell. D. Turbidimeter. The correct answer is tintometer. Which of the following gases is having the widest explosion limit about 2 to 81 gas in gas-air mixture, rendering it the property of the most explosive gas? A. Hydrogen. B. Acetylene. C. Carbon monoxide. D. Ammonia. The correct answer is acetylene.